What's up dudes, it's Laokang Shop from LG, and today we are back on Pokemon Roblox Remaster. Today there will be a new code, but I won't be changing, there will be a new code, but I won't be changing my code. As you can see on the top left hand corner, my code is Explosion. I got this in between episodes, so I'll show you guys the moves. Like, so if instead of when I try a double jump, I can't do the double jump thing, but I'll like fly. And because of the new update, you can buy pumpkin pistols from the weapon shop. Just go to this guy, and you see you can get a pumpkin pistol. It's for $1 million. Like, you can see my money is pretty low, cause I got it right here. Then then it just explodes at the end. So now I'm gonna collect my cash from my hero agency. Okay, so I'll tell you guys the code now. So you go on to menu, then you go to option and codes. Then you press enter code here, and then you'll be able to type. So the code is N1 GHT 3YE, which is like night I changed to 1, and the first E changed to 3. So confirm, you'll get 50k cash, and that is the code of this video. So I'm gonna show my moves to you guys on the way to learn. So, and I also went to the shop and got the gauntlet, so that my moves will be more powerful. Look at that. So if I go to skills, I'll be able to see kill crit and then explosion on the hand, as you can see. Boom. And I'll do it again. It does 2340 damage when my strength is 1040. So next is Z for 250 strength, chain blast. So wait, user creates a quick chain of explosion using both hands. So if I do Z right now, that's for 3 times, like 1, 2, 3. Wait, I'll do it on tomorrow. So I'll just see, you'll do the damage 3 times. So the next while he's chasing after me, X AB shot, user release and concentrated explosion traveling in front of them. So if I use the X right, where's he? He's there. So gosh, okay, let him chase me. Yeah, then look. So the range is pretty far. So next, C, ground blast. User creates a big group of explosion around them using both of their hands to blast the ground. So you can see I will raise both hands and do a ground blast. Now next, V for 1000 strength, which I have there, as you can see, 1040. Howitzer impact. The user propels themselves in the air with a chain of explosion that creates a tornado to fuel powerful explosion. So I'll show you guys. Let me find tomorrow. So what I like to do this howitzer impact is I would fly and then I'll drop. Now I'll put my arrow there, like you can see. And I'll do a ground blast. And then pretty cool. It will say that, but then it won't appear in the chat. So as you can see, there's one last move, the adrenaline rush. User body starts sweating excessively, boosting the power of the explosion and combat. So 1000 agility, I'm working on that. I'm at 736 agility right now, and I'm going to also most likely I will be able to do it at like 7 at like when I'm 799 if I've calculated correctly. So where we're gonna go is the weapon shop right here. Instead of killing with villains, we'll go to the pro hero and helping him defeat villains. So I've defeated a few of them. So what I like to do is I'll fly up high and then I'll do a V move, do it in between, so I'll hit both and I'll use my C ground blast and kills both. Then the other way to destroy them is my X, AP shot, shoot, and then my chain blast. I don't use my Q because it's like not very powerful. So V again, and C. There we go. We get 7,500 XP and $300. So let's do it again. X and Z. Okay, I didn't hit all 3 shots. I have to hit all 3 shots in order to kill him. 3 shots with my chain blast. Okay, this pumpkin pistol is actually good. 4 shots and it's dead. Watch 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 shots. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna do an X, then do the Q and then X, and I'm gonna shoot my pumpkin pistol. Because pumpkin pistol have like an explosion at the end. So all of them is following me. Then go up, also impact to the ground. And C move in case the last one is not dead. There we go, let's kill 3 more and we are done with the board. Okay. Never mind. Also impact. Ground blast. Okay, 15, there we go. And we're done. Go back to the pro hero, and it did well. Great job. And we'll get our 150k XP and 3.5k cash. There we go. I've just leveled up once. That was almost twice. So there we go. So I will change my quirk, which I know is not advised to because our explosion is a legendary quirk and it's very powerful to me. But then I'll try other quirks that I have not used before. And in the next video, I'll also show you the F move, the adrenaline rush. So this is the end of my video. Hope you guys like it. If you like more video on Boku no Watch Remaster and like to know new quirk, hit that like button down below, subscribe to my channel, and remember to hit the notification bell to be notified when there are new videos. Now, see you guys!